Welcome to a damp and cold Birmingham, UK. Today we have a M135 BMW 2019 model XDrive, and we're going to do a cold startup engine and exhaust sound for you. Right, with me is Dr. Bobby, who owns a vehicle, and he's now going to fire up the engine for us from a cold start. Give it a little rev for us, please. And again. And again. Okay, we've got a low tyre pressure warning, which I'm sure you'll sort out, Dr. Bobby. Say hello, Dr. Bobby, please.
Hello.
Thank you. Anyway, and we're going to go under the bonnet now. It's a very smooth petrol engine. Let's give it 4 or 5 revs for you. Okay, we're just going to show you around the back by the exhaust.
Alright, so I suppose we better switch it off now.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Like and subscribe.